Dishwasher Use and Care Manual. Congratulations and thank you. Thank you for selecting a dishwasher. You have joined the many consumers who demand quiet and superior performance from their dishwashers. This manual was written your safety and convenience in mind, and the information contained herein is very important. We highly recommend that you read this manual before you use your dishwasher for the first time. To learn more about your dishwasher and available accessories, as well as many other top quality appliances, visit the website. Important safety instructions, page 6. Dishwasher components, page 7. Dishwasher features and options, page 7 through 8. Dishwasher materials, page 9. Preparing and loading the dishwasher, page 9 through 11. Loading the dishwasher, pages 10 through 11. Adding detergent and rinse agents, page 12, page 13. Operating the dishwasher, page 13 through 15. Cycle and options, page 13 through 15. Unloading the dishwasher, page 15. Care and maintenance, page 15 through page 17. Wash cycle information / sanitized, page 18 through 19. Important safety instructions save this information. Attention, never use steam cleaning products to clean your dishwasher. The manufacturer will not be liable for possible damages or consequences. Attention, never use harsh chemicals to clean your dishwasher. Some chloride-containing cleaning products can damage your dishwasher and may present health hazards. Attention, it is highly recommended for the end consumer to become familiar with the procedure to shut off the incoming water supply and the procedure to shut off the incoming power supply. See the installation instructions or speak with your installer for more information. Warning, misuse of the dishwasher can result in serious injury or death. Do not use the dishwasher in any way not covered in this manual for any purpose other than those explained on the following pages. Warning, severe product damage and/or injury could result from the use of unqualified service technicians or non-original replacement parts. All repairs must be performed by a qualified service technician using only original equipment, factory replacement parts. Warning, electrical shock or fire could result if the electrical supply for the dishwasher covered in this manual is incorrectly installed or if the dishwasher has been improperly grounded. Do not use the dishwasher covered in this manual if you are not certain the electrical supply has been correctly installed or the dishwasher has been properly grounded. This appliance must be grounded to a metal permanent wiring system, or an equipment grounding conductor must be run with the circuit conductors and connected to the equipment grounding terminal or lead on the dishwasher. See the installation instructions included with this dishwasher for more information on electrical requirements. Use this dishwasher only for its intended function, which is the washing of household dishware and kitchenware. This dishwasher is provided with installation instructions and this use and care manual. Read and understand all instructions before using the dishwasher. Use only detergents or rinsing agents recommended for use in a dishwasher and keep them out of the reach of children when loading items to be washed. Locate the sharp items so that they are not likely to damage the door sill. Load knives and other sharp utensils with their handles up to reduce the risk of cut-type injuries. Do not wash plastic items unless they are marked dishwasher safe or the equivalent. For plastic items not so marked, check the manufacturer's recommendations.